guys, good morning. Balik naman tayo guys kasi yung connection bumalik na. Connection sa TNT. So guys, update ko kayo guys sa Raptor ko guys, oh. Na 5 months old. 5 months pa to guys. Guys. Ganda guys, ganda na. Ito naman guys, siguro ibibinta ko to. Pero wala pang exact price guys. Okay guys, thank you.